the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Sussex, and Caroline, Maryland, and Cape May, New Jersey, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware. Delaware Bay waters south of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware. Coastal waters from Great Lake Inlet to Cape May, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Cape May, New Jersey to Cape Henlopen, Delaware out 20 nautical miles. And coastal waters from Cape Henlopen to Fenwick Island, Delaware out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 74 has been issued until 7 a.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Sussex, and Caroline, Maryland, and Cape May, New Jersey, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware. Delaware Bay waters south of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware. Coastal waters from Great Lake Inlet to Cape May, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Cape May, New Jersey to Cape Henlopen, Delaware out 20 nautical miles. And coastal waters from Cape Henlopen to Fenwick Island, Delaware out 20 nautical miles.